In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Capital One card for Apple Pay. By the end, your card will be added and verified so you can check out with a quick tap from your iPhone. Start by opening the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your payment cards live. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon to add a new card. When the options appear, choose debit or credit card. You'll see two ways to add your Capital One card. You can scan it with your camera, which automatically captures the number and expiration date, or you can enter the details manually if you prefer. Take a moment to double check that your name, number, expiration date, and security code match what's printed on the card. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. This sends your card details securely for verification and prepares the next step in the Capital One app. Now download and open the Capital One app from the App Store if you don't already have it installed. When you launch it, enable push notifications when prompted. This is important because Capital One will use a secure in-app notification to confirm that it's really you adding the card to Apple Pay. Without notifications, you might miss that approval request. Inside the Capital One app, go to Profile, then Security, and find Mobile App Verification. Turn on Mobile App Verification and enroll your device. Enrolling makes this specific phone a trusted device for approving sensitive actions, like adding your card to Apple Wallet. You might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Keep the app open and stay connected to the internet so the enrollment completes smoothly. Once mobile app verification is on, watch for the verification request that's sent to the Capital One app. When it appears, review the details and tap Approve. This confirms to Capital One that you initiated the Apple Pay setup on this device. If the prompt appears briefly as a banner, you can tap it to open the full approval screen. After you approve, return to Apple Wallet and you should see your Capital One card marked as ready for Apple Pay. That means your card is verified and you can use it anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. If you ever switch devices later, just repeat these steps so your new phone becomes the trusted device for approvals. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.